Well, we've got some breaking Bitcoin ETF news. We are moving through the process here. I'm going to give you the latest of what is going on. Two things: hit that subscribe button. Please drop a like on this video. It tells me that you're going to continue to cover Bitcoin ETF. Obviously, we're rolling up to that January 10th deadline for the is it going to be approved day. That's the official deadline, right? And that's the question we're all asking. Is it actually going to be approved? We know at the end of the day what Gary Gensler, the SEC, they are not pro crypto, but you also have on the other side of the street, if you will, you have BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, a tremendous amount of political and financial pressure being applied to the SEC. And I guarantee you there's a few backroom meetings happening, both pro and con around crypto, around this whole scenario. And you can also see the narrative start to change in mainstream media. And I've been talking about this in previous videos. Crypto is kind of sort of getting okay. Air quotes are intended, right? You and I have always known that it's okay. But the mainstream media and the other, you know, powers that be are starting to a little bit change their tune. So let's get into this. I'm going to share with you everything. Also going to share with you a couple of key things in the overall crypto market. So thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day. And here we go. So right now, crypto's up 2.85+%. Here's the breaking news I wanted to tell you about. That this happened in the last 24 hours. The SEC scheduled meetings with New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and CBOE to finalize comments on spot Bitcoin ETFs, Fox Businesses reported. Also, SEC exchanges exchanges meet for final comments on spot Bitcoin 8. So this is a big thing. The fact that the SEC is meeting with the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, all that kind of stuff. This is a move towards approval. Does that mean it's going to happen and be approved on January 10th? No, I am not saying that. Okay. I'm just giving you this bit of information so that you know that this is actually obviously a thing. Now, yesterday in the last 36 hours, we had this wrench thrown at us where Matrixport came out and said in a report that they think that the SEC is going to reject the spot ETF, Bitcoin ETFs, right? We think that, right? That's what they said. Now, they were citing, quite frankly, the reason they said this was because of Gensler and his, how he feels about crypto, which we know is not pro crypto. That was fundamentally what they basically said. But this report created widespread panic in the crypto market in the last 36 plus hours. Was it a planted report? Was it a report that went out to help the powers that be get better, pricing related to Bitcoin and things like that? Possibly, right? Because we saw Bitcoin, by the way, I'll show you this, wicked all the way down. If you can see this right here. Sorry, that was a phone call. Yeah, right here. Let me move this for you. Right there. Okay, so right here, I want to show you this. Bitcoin wicked all the way down to $40,000 on that report alone. Period. End of story. Okay. So that's what happened there. Now, is that where we're at? Is that the final? No, this is the exact final step that we're in right now. Okay. So we are leading up and we're looking at January 10th, which is 6 days away. That's where we're at right now. Crypto was down for the last 36 hours. It has turned positive. We're building some consensus now. We're looking we're looking good in that capacity. Okay. So that's where we're at. Just want to give you, that's the breaking Bitcoin news, is that we've got the SEC meeting with the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, et cetera. All that's looking good. Okay. So this is part of the process here, guys. Okay. So two things. Number one, if you're interested, links in the description below to my software. If you want to pick up my trading indicator software, pick it up down there. It's something that I've created a long time ago for you guys to help you trade, know when to buy, know when to sell crypto, because that's the truth, man. No one knows when to buy really and when to sell crypto. So the trading indicator gives you buy alerts into when to buy and when to sell, and you can set up those alerts to be sent to your device. Really, really cool. Okay. So links in the description below if you want to pick it up. There's a discount code down. There's a 30-day, no questions asked money back guarantee as well. Okay. Also, I've got for you, if you're interested, a link down there to Margex. This is, in my opinion, the best trading platform out there. You get a 20% deposit bonus if you so choose to use them to help with fees. Think of it as a cashback reward system kind of scenario. So links description below to that. You also get a $50 bonus deposit as well. So you get 20% plus 50%. It's pretty good. Plus $50, excuse me. It's good stuff. Links in the description below. This is where I'm going to start doing my trading in 2024 because this is a trading platform built by traders for traders and all that kind of stuff. All right. So go make some money. That's where we're at on the Bitcoin ETF crypto news. See ya. Bye.